We're diving into a full review of the Samsung Galaxy A71, a mid-range device that still manages to pack some premium punches even in 2025. Design and build quality. The Galaxy A71 sports a sleek and modern design with a slim profile. It's got a plastic back and frame, but Samsung makes it look and feel more premium than you'd expect. At just 7.7 mm thick and around 179 grams, it feels light and comfortable in the hand. Display. The Galaxy A71 features a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Plus display with a resolution of 2400 by 1080. It's vibrant, sharp, and offers excellent color reproduction. The bezels are minimal, and the punch-hole front camera blends in nicely. Performance. The Galaxy A71 is powered by the Snapdragon 730, or Exynos 980 in some markets, paired with 6 or 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. For a mid-range chipset, the performance is quite respectable. Camera performance. On the back, you've got a quad camera setup. 64MP main sensor. 12MP ultra-wide. 5MP macro. 5MP depth sensor. And up front, a 32MP selfie camera. Battery life. The A71 packs a 4500 mAh battery, easily lasting a full day with moderate use. With 25 watts fast charging support, it goes from 0 to 100% in just over an hour. Overall, if you're on a budget or looking for a secondary phone, the A71 remains a smart buy in 2025, especially if you can find it at a discounted price. Thank you so much.